The Cthulhu Shield is a device that uses electrical pulses to create the sensation of touch on your tongue. Engineers, students, artists, researchers, and hobbyists can create sensory substitution and sensory augmentation devices with the Cthulhu Shield using Arduino sketches, smartphone apps, and computer programs. We provided free and open source example code on GitHub to allow you to use the Cthulhu to make live, moving tactile images and tactile representations of sound on your tongue, to effectively give motion detection to people who are blind and sound to people who are deaf. You can create devices that expand and improve on your existing senses as well, allowing you to experience ultrasonic sound like a bat, or thermal images like the predator. You can even write programs to stream data from the internet directly to your tongue. The only limit to the sensory experiences you can create is your imagination. Additionally, the Cthulhu Shield is designed to be used as a tongue-based computer interface, allowing you to control a computer cursor, video game, or mobility device with your tongue. The technology behind the Cthulhu has been used in laboratories across the world for over 25 years to replace lost senses and invent new ones. Sapien LLC has been using this technology with neuroscientists at Colorado State University to develop better human-machine interfaces. Our goal is to enable and empower people. To that end, we are launching our open-source development tool that allows you to make devices to replace a lost sensory organ or create your own sixth sense. Back us today and receive a Cthulhu Shield or development kit for yourself or a friend.